Three questions before we start. Do you often take actions in anger that damage something you have taken years building? Are you dealing with the consequences of your past decisions that are now bleeding into your present? Are you somebody that is trying to walk the right path, but the weight of what you have already done is haunting you? We are now in the outer circle of Hirapur Yoginis and standing in front of the seventh Katyayani, that is Kalaratri. If we look here, at first glance, she looks exactly like one of the Nabha Katyayanis. Now, see, a lot of you had asked why are they called the Nabha Katyayanis when each of them have their individual identity. They are each forms of Ma Durga, the 9 forms of Ma Durga. The Hirapur temple was commemorated to celebrate the victory of Ma Durga over Rakta Bija. And they are always called the Nabakatayanis. The Nabakatayanis, why? Because it was Ma Durga who slew Raktabija, number one, and each of them are in warrior pose, standing over the head of Raktabija here, because of which they always will be referred to as the Nabakatayanis. It is what it always has been. Yes, they are the different forms of Ma Durga, but we have to refer to them as the Nabakatayanis, and she is the seventh Nabakatyayani, who is Ma Kalaratri. See, at first glance, she looks almost identical to Ma Chandraghanta and the rest of the other Katyayanis. She has an attendant here who's holding an umbrella overhead. She's holding a katari in one hand and a skull cup in the other hand, and she's holding over the head of Raktabija. Here. Doesn't that mean she's identical to the other Katyayanis? Well, look here. The dog and the jackal here change everything. Where we are standing here, thousands of years back, sadhakas stood right here and sought her blessings to seek the power to vanish and reappear at will. But before I tell you more about her and also tell you her Kripa mantra, let us get down to the main objective of the video. The sculptor did something so precise and so deliberate that if you miss it, you miss everything this form is trying to tell you. In the previous videos we have discussed, in Ma Chandraghanta's niche, the dog was sitting on her right and the jackal was sitting on her left. Correct? Now see here. We see here now the dog is at her left. See, it is standing on all fours, alert, looking at her. The jackal here is sitting at her right, alert, semi-alert we can call, and looking up at her. All of these mean something. There is something that they wanted to say, and that we are going to tell you now. In tantric iconography, the left side of the goddess represents her fierce, destructive power, the force that burns impurities and dissolves karma before it can take root. The right side represents her protective and stabilizing power, the force that controls, guards, and holds the devotee together. Now remember what these two animals represent. That is very important. The dog here goes for fresh blood. It represents the karma that you are creating right now through your anger, your fear, your impulsive actions. The jackal here is a scavenger. It clears what has already been left behind. It represents the older karmas, the sanchita karmas, or the karmas that you have already accumulated, the weight of which you have been carrying for years. See here, the dog represents your present karma. It stands to her left, the fierce side, standing on all fours, not sitting, active. That means mother is actively destroying the negative karma that you're creating right now before it can grow roots. And the jackal, your past karma, sits on the right, the protective side, controlled, being gradually cleared but held firmly under her authority. Under the protection of mother, your past karma is being controlled and your present karma is being destroyed before it can harm you. But what if I tell you Ma Kalaratri is just not a mere form of Shakti to dissolve your karma? In the Puranas, she is identified as Rodri, the goddess who destroyed the demon Ruru. And Ruru was no ordinary demon. He had the ability to create multiple asuras generating from his own body. The more you fought him, the more enemies appeared. Does that sound familiar? Because that is exactly what unresolved karma does. You suppress one consequence and 3 more appear beneath it. You solve one problem born from a past mistake and the root keeps generating more. Rodri or Kalaratri doesn't fight the branches, she destroys the roots. Now, before I share with you the Kripa mantra of Ma Kalaratri, let me share with you the significance of her name so you can connect with her better during your sadhana. See, the word Kala, from whom Ma Kalaratri is named, carries the weight of time itself, devouring, absolute, unstoppable. And Ratri does not refer to the night as a whole. In Tantric tradition, each specific hour of darkness is under the sway of a particular form of the terrifying goddess, each granting a particular power to the aspirant who knows how to invoke her at the right moment. And that is why, in the Padmala Mantra Vidya, one of the most precise tantric ritual frameworks, addressing the Devi specifically as Kalaratri serves two purposes. It invokes exactly the right deity for the task at hand. It empowers the sadhaka with the devouring quality of Kala and all consuming quality of Ratri. So the presiding deity does not just protect you, she eliminates every obstacle standing between you and success. In the sixth mantra of the Padma ritual specifically, when Kalaratri is invoked, the sadhaka seeks the ability to vanish and reappear at will, an ability that removes one of the eight great bondages known as the Ashtapasa in Tantra. The ordinary person fears the dark. The sadhaka who knows Kalaratri finds power precisely here. So, when emotions are running so high that one wrong step could cost you everything, when anger, fear, or ego is about to push you into creating new karma that will take years to clear, surrender your consciousness into Ma. Hakripa mantra is Om Devi Kalaratraya Namaha. It is recommended to chant her mantra 1 Japamala or 108 times with devotion for 21 days to see the results. May the blessings of Ma always be over you. Om Bhairavaya Namaha.